everyone. I hope you are having an amazing day.
Crafting is always something I've enjoyed doing, but I always found myself throughout the years crafting if I was sad or feeling down. It was kind of the thing I would turn to for a pick-me-up. And even when I was down, I would find myself creating the most colorful and vibrant things. So in 2018, I had the idea, instead of just crafting when I'm down, what if I craft all the time? When I'm happy, when I'm in good spirits, what if I just craft regardless of how I'm feeling? And since making that decision, I am so amazed at how many doors have opened up. And what I'm finding is that the more I craft, it's sort of like sharing a little bit of yourself invites others to share a little more of who they are too. I'm amazed at all of the conversations. Just sharing my own creativity continues to spark each day.
Will you be my bridesmaid?
As I share more of myself and more of what I'm creating, I hope in my journey, I can also create a safe place and a safe space for others to feel comfortable sharing their crafts and their creativity too. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.